Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, share, most of all, comment. At least send me nice ones anyways. Share my videos and subscribe to my page. So today we're going to change an oil pressure switch in a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're doing this prior to because we have an oil light on. I want to see if it's a problem or not. We could have done a test, ohms test on the wire to see if it was sending out signal, but I already had a switch. It's pretty simple to change, so I'm going to change it out. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you where it's at. It's located right in the front of the engine. If you have a 4.7 or 3.7, they're going to be identical, the V6 and the V8 model. It's located right up above, and I'm sorry, I'll try to put some light on the situation here for you. Right up above the oil filter. You're going to see where I unplugged it already. It's got a little snap clip that holds it on there. It's a single wire actuator. So we're going to take this tool over here, which is the proper socket for replacing them. And I can't see it through the camera what size it is, but it's kind of a specialty weird socket that goes over the top of oil pressure sensors. Pretty much the same for GM and Ford and everything. So we're going to remove that out of there, and we're going to install a new one with some thread tape and go from there. Okay, so hopefully that video was helpful there in showing you how to change this. A couple key points that I want to point out. The reason we don't use a regular socket to change these is because down inside the actual socket for it, it's recessed and designed to not break this plastic housing. A lot of times you'll see these leak because people used a regular socket. I think it was 1 1/4 or something, if I remember right. They actually make a socket designed to change oil pressure sensors on most cars. Remember, send me nice comments. You can't break what's already broken, so you might as well try to mess it up anyways. It's already broken, so let's do some damage. Share and subscribe. Don't be the first of them, be the next to you. And if any other man can do it, you can do it too. Have a great day.